Hi, good morning, you all. My name is Matt Tognacci. I'm with Sunny Pressure Washing. We're out here in Memorial doing a wonderful roof cleaning for these awesome, terrific customers. We're getting everything cleaned up, nice and sparkly fresh for these wonderful homeowners. What Kyle's doing right now is called the soft wash treatment. So he's cleaning this tile roof with low pressure using chemicals that are going to basically soak into the roof. It's called sodium hypochlorite, and what happens is all this black stuff on the roof is just algae and mildew, and so the salt, the sodium in the chemical, it's going to soak in and dry out all of the algae and mildew and loosen it up from the surface. And then after that, we can go over with low pressure and rinse all of this with water. You can see it's kind of working already here, where you've got the original hue and shine and color of the roof coming back, and it looks brand new basically. So Kyle's gonna go over this whole area right here. He's got all this to do as well, and all of this to do. So again, this is low pressure, and then we've got Ricardo down there keeping everything wet. Obviously, we're using chemicals that take away algae and dry out living stuff, so we don't want any of the plants or anything like that to get messed up. So that's what Ricardo is doing, keeping everything safe and clean, and basically making sure that when we leave here, the customer is extremely happy. That's our number one goal. So I'm gonna let these guys get back to it, but we are good to go. Here's Ricardo again. I'll show you guys him. He's getting it knocked out. And yeah, we're excited to be here and doing a roof cleaning for these wonderful people, and hopefully they're very happy and impressed afterwards. So I'll just show you again the area. When it's foamed up, you can see that it's actually basically just soaking into the surface, loosening up everything. There's also a degreaser that'll help loosen everything up, but it's basically just drying out all of the mildew that's on the surface. We'll go over this whole area again. We do 2 coats on everything, but basically you can see it's low pressure. It's very safe for the roof. Nothing's getting damaged, and hopefully afterwards the homeowner is extremely happy, and that's what we aim for. So thank you guys so much for checking us out. Our phone number is 832-622-2924. Again, this is Matt with Sunny Pressure Washing. Thank you guys a bunch.